Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable email address collection on your Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google form and then select the settings tab up at the top. And then going down, there should be something that says underneath responses. Click the drop down. And where it says collect email addresses, go ahead and click the drop down and you can select either verified, so they have to be signed into Google, do not collect emails, or you can have responder input if they want to manually input their email address in here. And that's pretty much it. So again, verified, you actually would have to sign into Google to do the survey. Otherwise, responder input, they could just type in anything in there basically. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.